We recently stayed in room 6634 on the beautiful Disney Wonder, and we think it is one of the best rooms and room values on the ship. Let's go take a look inside. The minute you step in the room, you immediately notice all the cool nautical decor and how pleasant the room smells. The room, like most of the staterooms on Disney ships, has split bathrooms. This unique design is so useful when everyone is trying to get ready at the same time. The first bathroom has a sink, a toilet, and loads of storage. The second one has a sink, shower, and lots of comfy towels. There are containers of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash attached to the shower wall, and there's also a small retractable clothesline in there so you can hang up your wet stuff. There is ample closet space, plenty of hangers, and as soon as you open the closet door, a light turns on so you can easily see everything stored inside. A small room safe is cleverly tucked inside the lower storage area, and life jackets are stored on the top shelf. There is really cool Disney artwork hanging on the walls around the room. There are lots of dresser drawers so everyone can easily unpack. There is ample room under the bed to stash all your suitcases. There is a full-length mirror, and the mattress and bedding are insanely comfortable. It's so comfortable, you just may find yourself trying to figure out who manufactured the mattress. Your room steward can quickly convert the couch into a bed if you need it, and there's a privacy curtain to separate the two sleeping areas at night. The TV cleverly swivels so you can watch it while sitting on the couch, relaxing in bed, or working at the desk. The desk area is well lit, full of storage space, and there is a good number of power outlets to keep all your electronic devices charged. There's a little refrigerator tucked inside here to keep snacks and drinks cool, and there's a small stool that can be moved around the room for additional seating. The highlight of the room is, of course, outside this door. The secret veranda. It's called a secret veranda because the room is priced like an enclosed navigator's veranda, but the room actually has a clear acrylic wall with a slight obstruction. The uniquely shaped obstruction gives the veranda a sense of seclusion and some protection from wind and rain. We spent the majority of our cruise relaxing in this hidden oasis. Even though the Disney Wonder is an older ship, everything in the room and everything around the ship was in tip-top shape. We made so many incredible memories on our Alaskan cruise, and we can't wait to stay in the room again. We strongly believe that room 6634 on the Disney Wonder is a great choice and a great value for those traveling solo, as a couple, or with a small family. Have you ever made room 6634 your home away from home? Let us know your thoughts about the room in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and keep on rockin'.